Hello everyone! So I just finished work. I just want to show you. I got a couple container things from Muji. And I just want to see if my stationery that I want to put in here fits or not, because they had a lot of different sizes, so wasn't sure exactly which one I needed. So I got two. This one, just clear, it doesn't have a top. Then this one has a top. So let's see. I think I showed you, I'm not sure, but I have this like little book to keep all my stickers in, but it's actually so annoying. Like, I have to like take them out and put them back in. So it's like, I just want to see. I think they'll all fit in here because my sticker collection is ever growing. So let me just show you my desk situation right now. I need to put my studying books away, the stickers, and like one notepad thing here. I got this new, it's not new. I had something else in here and then I just put my pens here because this thing here is actually kind of annoying. And then, yeah, I just need to put those books back here, and then I have all these stickers and like things just like there. Still don't know what I'm gonna do with this thing. I don't like it anymore. And then, yeah, so this thing is too full with all my notepads. There's a lot just like sitting here and like all these loose leaf papers. So yeah, just want to change it up. Oh, and then don't get me started with this top area. There's so much stuff happening here. Oh.
Start your computations.
Go.
I think we're getting into a weird area here.
Maybe. Go.
I think I need to cut these ones.
Start your computations.
Go.
Guys, so I just want to show you the end result of organizing my desk. So I still do have some loose leaf papers there because I need to work on them soon. And then I still have this pen holder here. Actually, it's like a week later because I didn't know how I want to set everything up. But yeah, I have my laptop. I have a few postcards here. I have all my journals and my studying books put back in here. The stickers that were originally up top I put here because I literally have nowhere to put these. I have no idea. I might have to get one more of these kind of book container things. And then I have some brush pens, my Crayola tips. This is the new container from Muji. I have all my sticky notes and notepads here, and then this is the old one. So I do still have a couple notepads in here and some loose leaf papers here. I want to cut this up and use it for a project, so I just have this here. There's other loose leaf papers in here, and then I have this tin. I think I showed you before. So all of these used to be inside, but right now I have all my kind of loose stickers that I had cut out. I think this is a good idea so they don't like get everywhere, and I can keep them in a safe spot. And this thing, I think I might recycle this because it wasn't that helpful. I'm gonna have to find somewhere to put these. Oh, actually, I think I put them up here. Yeah, I don't know where to put this thing, so I just left it up here for now. But there's just some extra stuff. I don't know why this lollipop's in here, but yeah, literally no idea where to put any of this stuff. I have my washi tape, the glue, eraser, some other pens here. This is just cute, so I just left it here. It's from the Recorder store. It's a stationery store. It's actually like a point system, so I thought that was cute. I'll just keep that here. And then this is the new sticker box. Look how full it is. Oh my goodness. It's so full. I have so much in here, but I'm glad that it's just like tucked away. And then I don't know where to put. This is my last year's kind of journal. So this. It's all like the back cardboard of all the stickers I've bought, because I can still use these for journaling and stuff. Oh, so yeah. It's just like this. I do recycle them, or I use them for my journal, so yeah, I just keep a bunch of them in here. And then another one, I keep my some postcards in here too. Postcards, and then yeah, I do have the ones that I said over there too. And then this one here has all my extra calendar pages for the rest of the year, and then I have extra pages for my A5 journal. Yeah, another book. Yeah, study book. These are from the previous months. I don't know how to recycle these yet. I hope I can recycle them. I think I've already shown you my postcard wall, but I did add to it today over here. So this is the new area because this part is not cute, but I decided to make this part cute. Yes, I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had like 2 other videos I wanted to upload as well as this one, and this is the only one that's making it online. So there's that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Start your computations.